Model: 2018 Peugeot Boxer DUCATO Relay 2.0 BlueHDi 335L to H2 130 spares OR repairs open mouth smile bargain low miles. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 76,028. MOT: the 23rd of October 2024. Engine: 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, air-con, reversing camera, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav, cruise control. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,